Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I'll explain you how EUR-USD, USD CAD, USD JPY and USD CHF has moved in the last week and how these Forex can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of EUR-USD, what we have seen that there is a swing forming at this particular level. Okay, suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, it can touch a level of $1.02737, and if that level goes upside, we can see it can move further high towards a level of $1.03669. Okay, and once the level goes upside, we can see it can move further high and can touch a level of $1.06337, and if that level goes upside, we can see it can touch a level of $1.064 and $5. Okay, suppose if the price sustain over that level, probability of touching towards a level of 1.07759 is very high. Once if it is sustained above this level, we can see a range will break upside, and further upside we can see for EUR-USD. Okay, now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Okay, and our Telegram link also I've given in the description. You can join that too. Now, if you're looking at the chart, you have to understand something. I'm making short videos, so please be careful and watch it full. Okay, now see, suppose if this level, probability of going upside is very high because we have seen a swing at this particular level. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then only we can see a trend will be move further down. Okay, suppose if this level didn't sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see a level of $0.1750, and if that level goes downside, we can see it can touch a level of $0.99514. Okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, a probability will be very high. We can see, because this is the range where we have seen it has moved down. Okay, and you have to understand something, that this is the low 0.3519. If this level goes upside, we can see a further high. But if this range breaks down, so that means a low of around 0.995414 goes down, a probability is high. We can see it can go further down towards a level of 0.97994, and then further down we can see for EUR-USD. But if we talk about USD CAD, see, if we talk about USD CAD, what we have seen, an uptrend is moving, but it is moving slowly. Okay, and is quite a volatile price. And suppose if this level sustain, what we can see, if this level sustain, a probability of touching 1.29587 is there. And suppose if that level goes upside, we can see it can touch a level of 1.302425. Okay, suppose, and once if it goes upside, then only we can see it can go further high towards a level of 1.3217. Okay, you have to understand something, that this is the range where we have seen the price of USD CAD is moving so much. So once this range break upside, and then a probability of touching further high will be very much. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind, a range of 1.3217, and if this range break upside, because this level is already being tested here twice, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further high. But suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 1.27419, and if that level goes downside, we can see it can move further low towards a level 1.2641. Okay, and if that level goes downside, a probability of touching 1.24916, and if that level goes downside, a probability of further down will be very high, a $1.23916. Okay, and if that level goes downside, we can see it can move further down towards a level of $1.22518. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, so probability is there. If this level is, this range breaks downside, a probability is down for lower thing. Okay, so now if we talk about USD JPY, see, now if you look at the chart of USD JPY, what we have seen, that it has already made a high of around $1.39480. Okay, and I have told you that there is a probability of swing if this level didn't sustain. Okay, now as of now, if you look at the chart of USD JPY, we have seen whenever it goes high, we have seen a range. It has breaks downside. After making a particular high, we have seen that it goes down further low. After 2020 we have seen. So suppose if sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see it can go to a level of $1.32449. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1.31336. Okay, and once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.29336, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1.28322. Okay, and if the price if the price goes below that, then we can see a level of $126.88. Sorry, you don't have to see the point here. It is 131, it is 132, and it is $129.32. Okay, in the same way, what we can see, it can go further low and can touch a level of 120. After touching 126, we can see a level of 124.890 and further low towards a level of $122.353. Okay, now suppose if this particular level sustain, because a probability is there whenever it goes low, if swing form, we can see it can move further high and can make another new high. Suppose if this level sustain, a probability of touching towards again a level of 134.5 is very much. Okay, and from there we can see it can go to a level of $135.77. And suppose if that level sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see a level of $137, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $139.05. Okay, once the price sustain over that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $139.477, and once if it goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, now if we talk about USD CHF, now we talk about USD CHF. What we have seen, there is a U pattern forming, and after that we have seen it has come down and it is continuously moving down. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, a probability of going further down will be very high, because a level of 0.95, and 0.94898 is a support which is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see a level of $0.94644, and suppose if that level goes downside, then we can see a level of $0.93677. Okay, suppose if the price did fall below that level, then a probability of touching further down towards a level of $0.92437, and from there we can see it can move further low. Now you have to understand something. Suppose if this level sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see a level of $0.95443, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $0.96723. Okay, once the price sustain above that level, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $0.97023, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $0.97829. Okay, and once the price sustain above that level, we can see a probability of touching $0.988, and once the price goes above that level, then we can see a cup pattern will form. A probability of moving further high is very much. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description also. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.